ఎయిర్ ఇండియాను టాటా గ్రూప్ చేజిక్కించుకుంది. టాటా బిడ్ను కేంద్ర మంత్రుల కమిటీ ఆమోదించింది. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
To go between this time. There are conditions precedent. There are certain conditions which company has to satisfy. There are certain conditions which the bidder has to satisfy, and there are certain conditions which the government has to satisfy. And on satisfaction of these conditions, only closing can take place. The other part, as you mentioned, was regarding, yes, I mean, basically in this case, the construct is that you have you have certain liabilities where, for example, I said that there is a government guarantee, which means that basically if the loan is not paid back by the Air India, then government has to pay back. So it is as good as the government liability. Now, to that extent the liabilities remain in the Air India, that is the part of bidder. And to that extent the liabilities go out, and I mentioned it, that there will be at least debt liability of 46,000 which are going away. No, government gets 18,000 basically in this, because whether it is debt or a cash, I mean, there is an equity consideration of 15% and the debt consideration of this is a consideration. Cash will be 2,700 crore, and the remaining, the debt will be taken over. So therefore, we would be, that kind of debt, government would not have to take over. So it is as good as government getting money. 46,260 crore will the debt that will remain, which the government has to take over in the AIAHL. Now, just to further make it clear, 46,262 crores will be the debt which will be taken over to AIAHL. Then 14,718 crore will be the assets which will be taken over by AIAHL. So to that extent, we are getting liability of 46,262 and a debt of, and then assets of 14,718. And 2,700 crore we have got the cash equity. So net impact will be 845 crore. That is one part. The second part will be, if I'll give you a arithmetical breakup, ultimately we will say the impact on GOI after the non-core assets and excess liabilities are all taken off, because there are assets are also going, there are excess liabilities are going, then there is some excess current liabilities also going. The net impact to the government will be 44,679 crore, which will actually go to the AIAHL.
Number 10, please. Mike.
What will be the inflow into the government coffers as a result of divesting 100% stake in Air India?
As I said, 20,000 crore. That's the bid.